Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. If you missed us today on Louisa's channel on My Crafty Boutique, we were live for Tuesday. It was for celebrating Louisa's 11th year on YouTube, and we're just calling it a YouTube birthday. But what I wanted to do was come up here and share with you what I made today on our Crafty Live on Louisa's channel. So here we go. I'm a part of a design team. This is a new shop to me, and I did a unboxing of these dies that Lisa had sent to me, and this is her shop, My Little Crafty Shop. And if you guys follow her on Instagram and YouTube, you can get some great inspiration. And she also has a website. It is mylittlecraftyshop.com. And let me see if I have a card. But I did play with two die sets today. It's the ghost die, the ghosty here, My Little Crafty Shop. It has the shape of the ghost. It has a witch hat, a bolo hat, and some details. You can make a face. You can make some bows to add on to it. There's just so many details that comes with just the ghost, and I played with that here. And let me see, here it is. It's hard to see, but there's her eyelashes, and then you've got the bolo hat, and I just made this ruffle trim here, but there is more details to share with you. So here is the bow detail. And then here is the witch hat that comes with the ghost die. You can see I used a gold marker to make a buckle, and then I added the detail for the hat there. So you can do so much more, but I really wanted to cut them out and show you what those will come out looking like. And the other die I played with today was the butterfly die set. And this is one of her earlier releases. And if you guys are interested, please go check out her YouTube channel, My Little Crafty Shop. Here is the handle that you can find her at on YouTube, Instagram, and even if you use the hashtag in the search bar, hashtag My Little Crafty Shop, it'll come up her website, okay? And let her know that you guys found her here on my channel. That would be so great for me, just so she knows that where everybody's coming from. So the butterfly detail comes with two sizes, a small and a large. So this is the small and this is the large, and you could use it separate, but I used them together. And it also comes with a small and a large body, and this is the butterfly body. And I attached the butterfly with the 2 layers, and then I added some foam there and added it to a ghost upside down. The body of the ghost, I made it upside down. And then she also has some sentiments at her shop, and there's also pastel sentiments available for Halloween and Christmas. If you guys want to go check her out, you get so much in this pack. So what she sent me was the Halloween version. The butterfly bow set also comes with these centers that you could add to the center of the bow. If you didn't want to use the body, you could still use the centers for this one. And this one I would put the small because it's, you know, like that. It'll look like that. You can either keep the center or put the body on top or put the body behind. Either way, there's no wrong way. But that's what it would look like. And here it is. I layered it on top of a little ghost. I fussy cut this little pumpkin from my paper pad paper that I was gifted from Tanya, and I shared that in a previous video. But I'm just putting the papers to use because, oh my gosh, it's perfect for Halloween. Why not? So there is that ghost. Here's this ghost. And here's another one that's upside. I think I already showed this one, but whatever. That's what it looks like right side up and upside down. I think it's still really cute. And then I added some folded ruffles, paper ruffles, to one of the ghosts, two of the ghosts, and used her sentiment. And all I did was added the gold leaf marker. I picked this up from Walmart. You just go around the edge and highlight the little sentiment. I think it makes it pop, and it kind of helps it so you see dimension, depth to it. So I really meant to put this Hey Pumpkin over here over the top of my paper, but my folded paper, but I wasn't paying attention when I put that down. And this is what it looks like with just the hat and the ghost. You don't have to do all that, but hey, it's up to you. You know, what you feel like you want to add to it. So I'm going to add this little ghosty right here. So we will be doing Wacky Wednesday tomorrow also. So if you guys are interested, come check us out. Wacky Wednesdays, always fun. Chiquita Eve Luisa is our hostess. Yeah, since I didn't put my sentiment on top there, I just put it right there. Put it with the ghosty. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Please go check out Lisa's shop. Halloween sentiment pack, but this is the name of her shop. You could see all the examples. I'll have more to share with you all. I also will be having a giveaway for Lisa's shop, and the winner will be able to pick if they want the ghost die set or the snowman die set, which I didn't get to play with yet. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. A little snowman. It has its face. So you could choose either the ghost or the snowman. So the winner gets to choose. Alrighty. So I come back for the second video and I'll have all the details of how you can enter to win one of these beautiful die sets from Lisa's shop. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.